The subway. When Kim and Kurt were finished eating, Kim paid for the meal and left a tip for the waitress. Then they went out of the diner. We need to get on the subway and go into Manhattan, she said. Manhattan? Kurt said with a loud sigh. This job hunt will take all day. It won't take that long. I'm just having no luck here in Brooklyn. Maybe I can find a job in Manhattan. They walked to the subway stop. Kim got out the fare card her mom had given her. Which train will we take? Kurt asked. The number 3 train. Kim pointed to a map on the wall. She showed Kurt a red line on the map. We will ride from here in Brooklyn over to Manhattan and all the way up to Times Square. Kurt pointed at the spot on the map that marked the East River. Will we get to see the river? No, said Kim. The subway goes under the river. That's why it's named a subway. Sub means under. A subway is a train that goes under things like rivers and roads. It travels underground. Kurt and Kim waited on the platform for the subway train. Soon, Kurt could hear the sound of the train as it got closer. There was a gust of air. The train rolled up to the platform and stopped. The people inside the subway train were packed in tight. There were no seats, so Kim reached up and grabbed a strap. Kurt held on tight to Kim's leg. The train started off with a jerk. All the people swayed from side to side. Kurt could hear the train squeaking and creaking. Soon, the train slowed down. A voice came over the speaker. This is Clark Street. Next stop is Wall Street. Where are we? Kurt asked Kim. This is the last stop in Brooklyn, Kim explained. Next, the subway crosses over to Manhattan. Then can we get off? I'm so squashed. I'm having a hard time breathing. Some people will get off as soon as we get to Manhattan. Kim was right. The next stop was Wall Street. Lots of people got off the train. At last, Kurt and Kim got seats on the train. This is much better, Kurt said.